Are you a construction company that wants a detailed cost analysis of construction projects? In this video, we present the digital solution FINKONSTRUKT created by Žarko Srzić, digital technology instructor and owner of Perfecting Systems. What makes this digital solution unique? It was created in the free Google Sheets tool, which is a version of Excel. So the company does not pay for specialized software. In addition, this digital solution is very flexible and can be adapted to the needs of each client. Let's briefly get to know FINKONSTRUKT. Construction companies are well aware of the challenge of obtaining a financial analysis of a construction project from accounting data. Such analysis can take time and are often done from scratch. There is a high probability that some data is missing. FINKONSTRUKT is a digital solution that provides a financial analysis of a project in real time after each update. Let's take a look at its modules. There is the module Cost Estimate Sheet, which is used to create a budget and monitor the balance. Records are entered in the Transactions module. These can be contracted works, out-of-budget works, costs, and interim invoices. Transactions are entered only in this module, and FINKONSTRUKT distributes the amounts according to the financial logic of construction projects. In the Analysis module, we find the financial analysis of the project in the form of a dashboard. Everything is on one sheet: contracted works, interim invoices, costs classified by categories, graphic display, and finally the profit. In the Graph module, we can find a graphic representation of costs, interim invoices, and earnings during the duration of the project, which enables the company to monitor the cash flow. Finally, what are the advantages of this digital solution? First, it is developed in free Google tool called Sheets. Second, each client has control over his data. Third, FINKONSTRUKT can be customized according to the needs of each client. Fourth, the administrator is trained in how to use Google Sheets, what brings benefit to the client's company. Fifth, the stability of this digital solution is guaranteed by the reputable tech giant Google. And sixth, client makes one payment for FINKONSTRUKT. If you want more information about this unique solution and detailed explanation, contact us by email shown in the description below. Our representative in your country will contact you.